Hey guys, Carlos with IQ Power Tools here with you. In today's video, we'll be going over assembly and unboxing of our 244 tile saw and its X stand. Let's get to it. For this unit, the stand comes boxed separately, so let's get into that one first and set up our assembly. Zip ties off in here. This is ready to go. Now with the contents removed out of the box, I went ahead and put the saw on top of the box. I'll use it as a work surface, work table, and install our arm feature. So let's go ahead and do that. There's two locating pins, which should help make things easier here. Now that we've located our arm into the frame of the saw, we're going to go ahead and install the 4 bolts that come in this clamshell kit here. There are hand tools located on the back of the saw head here. I'll be using power tools for today's job. These 2 bolts on the back of the head are a little trickier to install. For this next step, we went ahead and moved the empty box and pallet out of the way, set the saw on its back, and we will be installing the X stand. This is the easiest way for us to do so. Grab the X stand here, locate the 2 tabs, tilt forward on the machine opposing direction, and snap in there. After that, you can go ahead and grab the saw head handle and tilt up. Now we're in operating position. Next step is to install the extension table on our rolling table. We'll go ahead and grab that. I'll be placing it on top of the saw here, make the job easier. Make sure this locking knob is turned out so the extension portion can slide in properly. There we are. We'll use our number 2 Phillips driver and the 2 remaining screws from the hardware kit. These Phillips screws act as a positive stop to make sure the extension portion doesn't slide out. Now we're ready to go. On to the next step. Now with the saw installed to the X stand and in operating position, we're going to go ahead and install our rolling table. Make sure that the positive stop is in the down position so we can slide this on. Go ahead and put the positive stop back up, and the table will not roll out. There is a lock tab here for transportation. You'll hear it engage there. Now it's locked. Next step is to be installing the blade that comes included with the kit. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll come to the saw head here and loosen the locking knob. Remove the locking pin and tilt the saw head up. This knob here on the front side, the blade side, will let us tilt that back. Remove the bolt here. Place the blade on the arbor here. Make sure to take into consideration the Q-drive arbor. Reinstall the thrust washer and tighten the nut. On this one, we'll be using the supplied hardware. As you're hand tightening the nut here, make sure to depress the arbor lock and fully tighten. You'll see the arbor lock in there. There we go. Now the blade is securely installed. Drop our blade guard back into position here. Push down and turn clockwise. With the saw head still in the up position, we'll go ahead and install our blade guard. Make sure to pull this locking tab back, slide the guard, and locate the grooves to the bolts there. Release the tab, and now this thing is ready for operation. Go ahead and remove the locking pin to the down position. Pull your saw head down and secure things in the position. We're going to go through and do our first cuts on the plastic louvers. Engage your machine, turn it on. With this, we're ready for full operation. Final step for those of you who may need it is installing the miter accessory. Go ahead and place it over the fence back here. You can slide it into position wherever needed, and it locks as well. That's it. The machine is ready to go and start making first cuts. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.